If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's do this. What's going on, guys? Apple World here, and we don't have one iPhone, we don't have two, we have 6 brand new iPhone XRs to unbox here in the channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys got any brand new an iPhone XR, and let me know in the comments down below what color did you get. So let's go ahead and start unboxing them. I'm really excited to actually see the LCD display on these guys. I'm really curious to see if it's actually a good one. I'm sure the LCD is fine. So yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing the orange one. All of them are 64GB storage. Let's go ahead and do this. Designed by Apple in California. And there we go. Whoa! Okay, this orange is really orange. Anyways, let's go ahead and see. I gotta show you what's in the box, of course. We got designed by Apple in California. We get ciao, we get hola, and we get the pins, and of course, you can't forget about the Apple stickers. So yeah, that's pretty much it for everything that comes in the paperwork. And then we get power. I mean, come on, no fast charging in 2018, kind of annoying. And then we get EarPods without a dongle, which is actually kind of a suckish move from Apple. Come on, Apple, you know better. And then we get the lightning port. iPhone XR. The size, let's go ahead and take a quick size comparison with the iPhone X. It's much larger than the iPhone X, but it's not as big as the iPhone XS Max. It's a nice size, actually. I'm gonna be keeping one of these guys. All the other ones, I'm gonna sell it to my friends, or I'll see what I do. But anyways, let's go ahead and get that magical moment. Sexy! All right, that's pretty much it for the orange. I really like this color. Oh boy. So just to let you guys, oh, this is a nice black. This really looks like the iPhone 8. Oh boy, this is definitely a beauty. So hey guys, don't forget that this is it's not affordable, but it's the most affordable iPhone of the year. So right now we have the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and right now we have the iPhone XR. It's pretty much similar to the iPhone XS. I'm gonna do a bunch of iPhone XR versus iPhone X videos this week, so definitely subscribe if you're definitely interested in seeing those videos. Let's go ahead and see the blue, designed by Apple in California. And here is the, oh boy, here's the baby blue. Boy, this is blue. This is really blue. It's really beautiful. I'm really liking these colors. I don't really know what color I'm gonna keep. The iPhone XR only has a single lens camera, but it can actually do portrait mode with only one camera, which is definitely really interesting, and I'm really curious to see how it actually goes. Go ahead and unbox the white one. We haven't had a white iPhone in quite some time. Don't forget, like for example, last year we got the silver iPhone 8 and the silver iPhone X. But we never actually got a white one. I think the last time was actually the iPhone 4, the actual iPhone 4S. So I'm really excited to see a beautiful white glossy iPhone designed by Apple in California. Oh boy, oh yeah, I really like this one. I'm probably gonna keep this one. I like this. Aluminum borders look great, by the way. This is actually the iPhone Red, which is Apple collaborates with the Red Foundation and actually donates to AIDS around the world. Which is, if you don't really know what iPhone to get, if you like them all and if you like the red, you're gonna help the world while getting this iPhone. Let's go ahead and unbox the red. This one is definitely a sexy one. As you guys can see right here, we actually get a red tab. Let's go ahead and see this. So you guys can see it says product red. And it says in Spanish, but it basically says Apple collaborates with Red Foundation. Like this, they can fight AIDS around the world. More info available in red.org. So yeah, once again, Apple stickers, Apple warranty, and all of that good stuff. Man, I've never done an unboxing this big. I mean, 6 iPhones. This deserves a really big thumbs up. Let's go ahead and see that beautiful and sexy red. This is sexy. And there we go. Go ahead and unbox the latest one, yellow, which is probably the one that I'm gonna keep. I didn't thought I was actually gonna like this one. This one's actually really pretty to do comparisons throughout the year. And actually, I don't really know, maybe I'll like this phone better than the iPhone 10. I mean, I know the not the iPhone 10, the iPhone 10s. I know the iPhone 10s is better, but boy, these colors are beautiful. And you're not sacrificing that much. Let's go ahead and unbox the yellow one, our last one. Oh boy. Oh boy, here we go. By the way, there's exclusive wallpapers on the iPhone XR as well. Here we go, last color. Are you guys ready? It's cute, I like this. I actually really like it. What do you guys think of that? Let's go ahead and peel that off. And there we go, the aluminum borders are really nice. I actually don't really like the aluminum borders on the iPhone XR in yellow. I really like the way it looks on the red, on the blue, on the white, and on the orange. But I'm not really sure about the yellow borders over here. They're fine. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget that the iPhone XR is practically the same as the iPhone XS. So if you're kind of in a budget and you want to get the latest 2018 phone that is still great, iPhone XR is here. Great. You still got the same camera as the iPhone XS, which is a great camera. If you guys didn't see my iPhone XS review, it's linked down below. It's got the same camera, except this one has single lens, except iPhone XS has double lens, so of course you can shoot with a telephoto lens. But camera's the same, processor's the same. It's pretty much the same thing. And you're getting amazing colors. So these are all of the 6 iPhone XR colors. They're beautiful, they're fun. I actually really like these guys. I thought I was gonna keep my iPhone XS, and I still am. I think so. I don't really know. Like I really want to test these guys out. I still haven't booted them up. I'm really excited to see the LCD display compared to the iPhone XS. To of course the OLED display. So yeah guys, if you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts such as this one, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace.